welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville espresso machine. This machine had an issue with the gaskets leaking on the steam boiler. So we replaced those and now it's no longer leaking. And let's go ahead and test the machine. Pre-infusion. Full shot. You can see we have about 10 bars of pressure here. This shot includes about 30 seconds with pre-infusion, so it's a little short, but I'm not going to reprogram it because I don't want to mess with the customer settings. But you can see we have a short shot, but it's good with a lot of crema. And let's test the steam. You can see we have nice strong steam. A little bit of a drip from the steam wand, but that's actually not something we can fix because Breville no longer sells the steam wand assembly. It's a very tiny drip. So thank you for returning with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.